Wanted to come in with a quick video right now. Just want to make sure we're on the right screens here. Okay, great, we are. So basically, we had a pretty bad morning, which turned into a pretty big rally. So, and I think that's going to be the continuing trend. We're going to see a pullback in, you know, because we what I like to call, we blew our load too quickly. And if you ever been in bed with a woman, you know how that feels. So it's the same thing with stocks. When they blow the load too quickly, they need to take a rest and take a breather. So that's exactly what the stocks are gonna do, um, and that means they'll find support right where they need to. Now, this rally can keep going on and on and on and on and on and on and on until freaking until they're ready to pull the plug. I thought for sure that the markets weren't able to handle themselves after this crash, but it appears now we made a double bottom. We've tested the lows. And once we tested the lows, the market said, "All right, we're okay with this, and we're gonna be here." So that's pretty much what we're looking at. We're showing you a daily of all the of all the charts here. Look at here. Oh, this is an hour chart. You know what? I'll show you an hour chart. Hour chart looks nice because this will show you going into end of day, which is really where the rally happened. You know, uh, oh, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Okay, we're just going to focus in on the comp. Okay, we bounced off the 61%, blew through the resistance, blew through this resistance again, and now we're at the next resistance point. Not too sure if I said that this would be the next resistance point, but if you guys can see my fib charts, you know what's next line is the next point. And we're looking at 7,400. But look here. I think the stock's got to blow the load. I mean, they blew it too quickly, so the CCI is up a lot. We got to come back down. So, what do I see happening for tomorrow morning? Maybe I say we pop above resistance because we're positive on /NQ right now. Um, and then we come back down because, but we come back down, test 61. Where's comp? We test this, so we come back up 7,300 or whatever. We come back down, test it. Indicators are come back down, and then we go back up again. That's what I see happening. I definitely see we absolutely all bright green, all positive strength, all across the board. We really did a test today, and we pretty much we double bottomed here, and we double bottomed the quick stock market flash crash. Now, long term, still does not look good for the S&P and Dow Jones. I'll tell you that much. The charts on the right and left, the middle chart is the Nasdaq. It does not look good for them. But they both did bounce off the 200-day moving average. S&P bounced closer. It actually almost touched the 200-day moving average. So we'll see. I think, like I said, we're gonna have a push higher. Then we're gonna come back down a little bit, and it's gonna continue this next bull move. We could be anywhere from 7,200 to I mean, 7,400. You know, we could push higher. You know, we could make new highs. Um, it's kind of bullshit when people just say like, "Oh, the trade war, caused a couple hundred point drop in the markets." You know, that's really not how um the markets work. You know, it's we're just hypersensitive. Um, but if the markets were really sensitive, they'd be going down because the fundamentals are terrible. Um, all this cheap money is it's gonna dry up. You know, when we start raising rates more, the 10 years is gonna come up. By the way, let's go check the 10 year. That probably shot up today, and yep. We've gained support here. Now let's look on a daily because I've been trying to call this out for a next move higher here. I thought for sure it was going to move higher right here, but we ended up getting another loop lower. So now as the market raises higher, rates are going to go higher. Well, the yields are going to increase because there's going to be more selling of bonds. Um, Now this trend is so we could expect the market higher. What else can we expect? But we can also expect a pullback from the market, a pullback and then an increase. Um, why do I say there's going to be a pullback? Well, just take a look here. You know, look at the movement that happened today. Look at how vertical that is. Now you take the elevator up. I mean, you take the stairs up and you take the elevator down. That's just how it works. So, um, look like for instance, look here. Look at this run up and look at this spike down. But we did kind of come up again, but we kind of fell back down. So this move just got to pull back at least a little bit. Maybe where our support is 1540, maybe even lower a little bit. But just to reset. That's the thing. It's got everything's got to the market's got to take. Uh, look, everything's a little red. You know, after it had this big run up, it's got to have at least speaking about the indicators, have a rundown. Not necessarily come down so much in price, but kind of just let the steam off. Um, but the markets on dailies, we are reversing out of this short bear trend, the short bear histo trend. Look at the histo trend, guys. Look at the histo trend. It's not really much you can see here. We're backing down. Oh yeah, I just made it so you can't see it all. Great, there you go, guys. Comp daily. There you go. We're going up higher. So, um, it's a good sign. We're gonna take a big move up higher, and um, in the markets. I thought we were surely done. I thought we were done, guys. I'll be honest. But we just did a double bottom, and that means a reversal. Now, you know, I guess um, I've been trying to call this out. Um, and all right, I was kind of wrong by saying that we'd have a bad down day today. Um, you know, we woulda if we we just didn't get support. But like I said, everything's got to come back down, and we'll continue this move higher. We'll see where this gets us. Don't pay attention to the fake news. Um, don't pay attention to it. You guys got to do your own research. You guys got to figure out the facts. Guys got to be aware. You guys got to see what's going on. We're being duped. There's nothing we can do about it, but we got to be aware of it. Um, and that's about it. So thank you very much, and you know, I'll try and make another video. I gotta try and pump them out. I gotta get more educational. Break down why this stuff's going down. Technically speaking, well, I am breaking it down, but maybe give some more fundamental side of this, because that maybe that's that's this analysis is just pure technical. I'm a technical trader. I think that the fake news is just bullshit, absolute bullshit. So we're just gonna leave it at that, and hopefully I can get some content out and be creative, and maybe I'll upgrade my setup so I could make videos maybe about a range of topics, maybe philosophy, which this channel originally started out being for philosophy. But make philosophy videos, cooking videos, you know, entertaining videos, um, all sorts of videos. Um, I think we're here to create. So me just sitting here doing my work isn't doing anything. So if I could create something, and that's beautiful and that is meaningful, that's good for everyone else. That's good for me, and it would be a beautiful thing. So thanks for watching, and have a great